Good morning students. As in previous video, I continued the chapter The Sound of Music. You were studying about a Scottish girl, Evelyn Glennie, who had lost her hearing power, but she had learned a lot, and she had learned to play musical instruments, and she had got many awards. You have studied students up to paragraph number 8. Today, see paragraph number 9. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic means a person who finds it difficult to stop working. Means the person who wants to do work. Such type of girl Evelyn Glennie was. Evelyn Glennie was workaholic. She liked to work. I have just got to work often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. She had got many rewards. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prison and hospitals. See the quality of Evelyn Glennie. She was doing her performance concerts in prison as well as in hospitals also. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She was her first priority was to classes for young musicians. She was taking classes of young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund of Deaf Children says she is signing inspiration for deaf children. This is the remark of Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund of Deaf Children, and he has given a remark about Evelyn Glennie that she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. She was the inspiration for the deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. The deaf children find that there is no place where they will not reach. See the last paragraph. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She had got the achievements more than of a twice aged person. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. Now, by doing hard work and achieving different awards, Evelyn Glennie had been the inspiration for the handicapped person. People who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. Now Glennie has given pleasure to millions and millions of people. Students, in this way, you have seen the characteristics of Evelyn Glennie, how she had got achievements in her life. Now see the discussion over the questions. Answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? You have studied that she was 17 years old. When was her deafness first noticed? When she was 80 years old. When was it confirmed? When she became 11 years, it was confirmed that she had been deaf. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, 30 to 40 words. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Ron Fox was there. Ron Fox spotted her potential. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. As you have studied, you will write, search in that paragraph and you will write the answer. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn Glennie performs her concerts. Today I have taught you that she had gone to hospitals and prison for the first performance of concerts, as she had made the music of her life. Answer the question to our three paragraphs. How does Evelyn hear music? Students, because of vibration created by the musical instruments, when those musical instruments were played, whatever vibration was there, she was feeling, she was learning how different notes were produced and how she had got education, how Ram Fox had encouraged her and she had been able to learn and become a good percussionist. So in this way, students, this chapter is finished. In this chapter we have studied how Evelyn Glennie was a deaf girl, Scottish girl, but whatever hard work she had done in her life and whatever achievements she had got by doing hard work has been the inspiration for the deaf children. I feel like it is inspiration for all of us. Students, if a deaf girl just like Evelyn Glennie had accomplished many achievements in her life, then why we should not? So students, you will learn, you will revise this lesson at your home again and again and write the difficult word meanings in your notebooks and solve the exercise, students. Next day I will start the second part of the sound of music, and in which you will study about the characteristics, about the childhood and about the accomplishment, about the achievements of Ustad Bismillah Khan, who had achieved many awards in his life and how he had learned how to play Sahnai, and you will study in this chapter how Sahnai name came into existence and who invented Sahnai and how it was so famous, how he had been so, how Ustad Bismillah Khan had been so famous as Sahnai player, not only in India, but he was world level player of Sahnai and he had been the best Sahnai player in the world. Further I will teach you next part in next video. Thank you.